Hey guys, welcome. Today we're gonna talk about black and white with selected color. One color may be easy, but what if you want two color? So today we're just gonna do just that, and then we see the difference between in Blender and in Davinci Resolve 15. Like I said, I'm not a professional editor. There's probably many different ways you can do it, and my way may not be the best way, but at least I get to it. Okay, so let's just start off with this one right here, Davinci Resolve. So you load your media, you bring it in. Okay, let me unclip this really quick. Let me get rid of the sound. Alright, so let's say you want this part right here. You want everything to be black and white, but you just want the car to remain in color. Okay, so one of the ways you can do it in Davinci Resolve, you just go color. Alright, from this clip here, go to RGB mixer. Okay, and you can just click on monocolor, everything will be black and white. Okay, or you can just simply go to saturate and it's black and white. Either way it's fine, so I just go here, black and white. Alright, now what I want to do next is before I do this part here, I go to my qualifier, which is over here. Okay, qualifier. I could just click onto this and click onto this, I'll get color, but instead just, so I got this color here. If I were to go to a highlight, you notice I just picked this color, everything that is red. Okay, I could do it this way, or let's go back over here. That's Shift H, you can, or I can let's just set this, but that's just one color, but I want to choose two color at a time. So I go to 3D on this tab right here, go to make sure you're unqualified, go down to 3D. Okay, now click onto this, pick the color you want. Let's just say I want red and yellow. Okay, the red, okay, the yellow. It's not perfect, but there's many ways you can tweak it, but this I'm just gonna do the basic just to get the idea across. Okay, so now I have this two color. Now if I were to do a highlight, there's this two color. Okay, but there's other color right here too. There's red here, there's some here. Okay, so to better this, you can add a tracker. So I'm gonna go over here. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a tracker here. You could do it like that, or instead of that, you could use a box. Same thing. So all I want is this two right here. So I'll go down to the tracking. Okay, here's my tracker. Make sure you're on window. Alright, window. Make sure you pick frame. So from this tracker, put a point here. Okay, so I move the frame up a little. Say right here. So I start moving this over here. This will isolate, you move over here. Now this is gone. Alright, so you look back. See? The track. This one right here. There you go. You could do it this way, or Well, anyway, let's just say you have this tracking, okay? For you to you see nothing right here but these two. Okay? Some of you can also do something like, you know, for example, say you have stuff around here, you could just clean it out by adjusting the value here. But I did it with a tracker, so you know, make my life easier. But if you do see something, for instance, you can change the value, clean it up a little bit. But anyway, you get the idea. So anyway, after you track this, alright, now what you do with it? Well, let's go back to over here. So over on your node, I want you to go add a layer mixer. Okay. Now from here, I want you to add another one here. Let me put this correctly. Go here, you go down to this part and you click on RGB. It will turn it black and white. So as you can see, if I scroll, everything else is black and white except for this two color here. This is the layer mixer. Okay, so if I go back to, you can see everything else is black and white except for this two right here, the two color that I chose. So you could do the same thing in Blender. Okay. Alright. It's just a little bit more step. So let's add my video. Alright, let's just get rid of the sound. This part here. Alright, now I'm bringing UV editing. Okay. Before I do UV editing, right here, yes, you can go to your video and then you go down to hue saturate, and you can, yes, saturate the color that you don't want. Like for instance, you don't want the green, okay, you don't want the, but you want the yellow and you want the red. So yes, you can try this, you know, it will work great. If it doesn't, you know, if you didn't isolate the color you want, then you're gonna have to do a mask again. So with this, like this, alright, so let me duplicate this. That's like another way of adding a layer. You duplicate. Okay, now you want to isolate this too. Let's see. So I'm doing this way. Change back the color really quick. Okay, so what you can do, you can create a mask, just like you would on the Davinci Resolve. So what you do, you go here, create a mask, new, type in the car. Now you need a reference, so you need to open up, bring the video out, and press N. You'll get this now you have a matching reference. Okay, you could work with. Now create a mask by using Control. Alright, it's not really precise, but you can make it more precise. Okay, now click onto this recording button here. You go frame by frame. Okay. Grab it over here. Okay. Go frame. You're pretty much animating your mask. Okay. You do a separate one if you want, but I'm just gonna do both of them for the sake of the video. Okay, now go forward. And grab it over here. Okay, now you have this mask and you call it car. Okay, let's get back to the video over here. So on this top layer, you add a mask. Okay, and you click on car. Now you have it isolated. Now you go up here. You go down to here, and then you go over. Okay. Now you go down to this strip here, and isolate everything. See, so it's the last step here actually. As you know that Davinci Resolve make it much easier to do this. Okay, now everything is isolated. Now you only have this two color here. Okay, you see, look great, right? This is within the mask, so you gotta make sure the mask cover everything. Now, here's the thing. What if there might be some color right here, so you can better refine it. Just take out the green, take out the blue, leave the red. Okay, this is yellow. Take this out. So yeah, better refine. And some people could even do it some other way, like a dynamic range way. But for this, it's pretty much a simpler way you can do it. Okay, so which way you like better? You like this way better, or you like Davinci Resolve better? I think I like Davinci Resolve better. And not only that, right here, this is point by point. In Davinci Resolve, you get to have like a Davinci Resolve, you get to have like many type of selection here. You can even put in that, you can even put in this. So there's many selection, and you could even invert it right at the spot. Like for instance, this one right here is this one, so that I could invert it, which is nothing, and then I invert it back, and then there's something. Yeah, you can invert it. So very simple. When that's done, all you have to do is go back over here, and that's it. And now you can continue editing your clip. You know, that's simple. So between these two, I would have to say this one is easier for me. So yeah, there's many things you can do with this. You know, this is not the only thing. You know, but there's many ways. You can even change the color, like of the card. You know, like for example, say this red color here. You could even see where's the color here. say for the red. I think you change color. There you go. There, I just changed the color. Alright. You know that color. Well, anyway, as you can see, I changed the color. Alright, that's it. I hope this is helpful. If there's something confusing, just leave me a message on the comment below. I'll try my best to get back to you. Alright, good luck. Have fun.